You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving a question from National Examination Council Neco 2014 examination question, and we'll be solving part 1 of it. It has part 1 and 2, so we'll be solving part 1 of it, and it is basically on computer aided drawing, which is majorly Autocad. So the question, let me display the question. 2014, yeah, it's on computer aided drawing and it's for 30 marks. The first question says list 2 examples each of the following as used in computer aided drawing. And the 2 items are drawing command and modifying command. Now, if your teacher has not been taking you Autocad, you are likely to have challenge. You are likely to have challenge in this aspect of the question, because most of the question will come from Autocad. But with this video, it will assist you a lot to cover that loophole. So let us now go to Autocad. Let us go to Autocad now. This is Autocad. Now, the first question says we should list 2 examples each of the following as used in Autocad in computer aided drawing. The first one is drawing command. Drawing command, as you can see, all these items at the bottom here, this and others are all commands. And for the drawing commands, these are the tools under drawing commands. So the first one is line, the second one is polyline, then circle, we have arcs, then we have rectangle, under it we have polygon. So then we have ellipse. This one is used for drawing ellipse, and finally it's arch. So you have been asked to list only 2. So you can either write line and polyline, line and circle, polyline and circle, any 2 of your choice. Just list any 2 of your choice of the commands. You have been able to answer that question. And second part of that question 1 is modifying command. Modifying command, as you can see, this is modify, and these are the commands under modify. So the first one is move, the second one is rotate, this one is trim, and under it we still have extend. So we have erase, explode, this one is explode, and this is chamfer, this is mirror, and this one is copy. Under copy we have stretch, scale, array is ARRY, array. Then we have offset. So those are the tools under modifying command. So you can select any, you can write any 2 to answer that question. Now going to question 2. Question 2 says that you list 4 main components of dimension. 4 main components of dimension. In order to solve this question, let us go to dimension, that is dim style, DIMSTY, dim style, you enter. So this is dimension manager. So let us go to modify. So in modify now you can see all the elements of dimension. So we have line, symbols and arrows, text, feet, primary unit, alternate unit, and tolerance. So you can list any of these items. Under the items there are other sub items under them, but we don't need them. It is just the elements that we need in this case. So these ones will do. So you can list any 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of the 7 you can list any 4, and you will have been able to answer that question. And let us now go to question 3. Question 3 says that we should state the function of the following in AutoCAD. The first one is toolbar. Let me go to the question so that you can see it yourself. 2014. Question 3, state the function of the following in AutoCAD. We have toolbar, we have drawing space, and title bar. So let's go back to AutoCAD. The first one is toolbar. Toolbar is where we have all these tools. This is the toolbar. So it is the area that houses the tools that are used for making drawing in AutoCAD. So you can see all where we have all these line, polyline, circle, arcs. We have move, rotate, scale, trim, erase, and so on. So this area basically is where we refer to as the toolbar. So it is the place that houses the tools that we use in making drawing in AutoCAD. And the second one is drawing area. Drawing area is this area where we can make our drawing. For example, we want to make this, draw a triangle or whatever that we want to draw on AutoCAD. Just do that like this. This is a triangle, or we want to just draw a line, whatever we want to draw. So that is the drawing area. And the third one is title bar. Title bar is where we have the name of the program and the title of the drawing we are making. If you look at the top here, you can see it. This is the title bar. We have Autodesk AutoCAD 2021, and the name of the drawing is drawing 1. It is drawing 1 because I have not saved it. Once I save it, I will be prompted to write the name that I want to name the project. So that is the title bar. So we have been able to answer question 3, and let's go to the next question. Question 4. Write the full meaning of the following as applied to computer aided drawing. So we have AD, we have CG, CAE, CAM. AD is architectural design. CG, that is computer graphics. CAE is computer aided engineering. CAE is computer aided engineering. And the last one is CAM. CAM is computer aided manufacture. Computer aided manufacture, that is CAM. So one thing about this section of the question is that by the time you are able to solve like 3 to 5 years examination questions, you realize that any other examination that comes up, you'll be able to answer it, because most of the questions are usually repeated. So being able to solve question 4, now we go to question 5. Question 5 says that we should state the uses of the following AutoCAD modifying tools. Just like you see that if you are very smart enough, you will have been able to answer part of question 1 from this, because question 1 says that you should list 2 examples each, and each of the following as used in computer aided drawing, and under it you have modifying command, and now under here the tools have been listed for you. We have mirror, offset, and array. So by the time you take any 2 from here, you will have answered the second part of question 1. So now this in question 5, now we are to now state the uses of mirror. Now let's go back to AutoCAD. It will be easy if we are actually drawing I'm actually explaining and showing you how it is done. Okay, let me use the diagram. 1, 2. Okay, I can erase one. Okay, let me leave this one and erase this. Yeah, so the first there is mirror. To mirror an object is to produce a replica of the object, either to the right of the object or to the left of the object. Now, if I want to mirror this, I can decide to mirror it at a distance of 100 mm. So to do that, I will have to offset the side by 100, by 50, sorry, by 50. That is, so I can decide to offset this by 50, put it to the right of the object, I place it there. Now I can now mirror. This is the tool for mirror. You select the tool and you select the object like that. Now you can now pick this edge. No, you want to mirror here, so by 100 we pick this edge and move it this way. Can you see it now? If you don't want it to be inclined, you can just come here and select orthogonal, so it will be just easy like this. You can see now, and enter. I've been able to mirror this object to this side. So it is the production of a replica of an object, just like you are copying the object and changing the orientation and reversing it, reversing where it is facing. So that is mirror for you. Now the second one is offset. Now I did offset earlier, so let me just undo this. So I can use this line. Let me move it. I want to move it, so I want to make it orthogonal, like this. Now to offset, this is the offset. Offset is also like producing copies of a line or an object. So you just select offset. By the time you select offset, you'll be asked that through what distance do you want to offset it. For example, I want to place this line to my right hand side at a distance of 100. All I need to do is to type 100, 100, enter. So I'll now select the object. Since I want to offset it to the right, I move my cursor towards the right and I click. I still have the command on. If I want to offset it to the left, I just click on the object and move my cursor to the left and I click it. So I have the second one. So offset is a way of copying a line or an object to a specified distance and side of the drawing of the object. So that is offset for you. Now the last one is array. Array is also a method of copying object, but in this time, you know, when you offset, you can only offset one object at a time and to one side at a time. Similarly, if you want to make mirror, you can only mirror an object to one side at a time and reverse, you reverse the side it is facing, and you can only do that once. But in the case of array, you can make several copies of that object. Let us click array first. This is array. You click on it. Let us select the object. Now you just click on it and you can see, because I've set this one earlier on, this last one I did, you can see it has done the array in 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 4 rows. Sorry, 4 columns and 3 rows. 4 columns and 3 rows. That's what I have set there before. That's why it is like this. So this is array for you. That's how to do array. So, and that is all for this question. There are 5 questions in all, and you have to answer all the questions. So if your teacher has not been teaching you AutoCAD, this is where you really miss it. But with this video, it will assist you a lot to answer questions in this section of National Examination Council Neco examination. So thank you very much. If you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.